Hello, trading is closed on August 5th, 2014, and I'm Jeffrey Tennant. Yesterday over here I was calling for a drop based on the mejt system. We had a target of 1928.59 and that printed early. Note the support right at that level. There was a prior target of 1920.16 from August the 1st. That was hit. Note resistance and support at that level. And there was a target from way back on May 29th of 1914.15 based on the mejt system, and we hit that right on the nose twice. One of the funny things about mejt targets is the market never forgets them, no matter how old they are. The software said when these targets were hit that we were going to get a buy. It predicted a rally of at least 8 to 10 points before tomorrow's close. From this low to this high, we've had 8 plus points, so that's already printed. mejt says this late drop was false, just as the early move up was false, and we're going to see 1927.88 most likely tomorrow. Well, that's the next higher target, and that's tomorrow's call. If you want to get the next lower target, you have to go back pretty far. One way is to click on the thing here, right click, go to format and go back way back. You have to make certain you have 100 days worth of data. On the top of the TradeStation screen there's a button that says background dragging. You can drag this up and you'll see the next target lower is 1889.57. You can then click on the button again and get back to where you want to be. If anybody who has the software wants a list of all the targets which have not printed, drop us a line and we will send them to you or tell you how to generate the list yourself. Well, how likely is it that we're going to see 1927.88? I think a lot depends on whether today's low holds, which I think it will. Why? Well, this is strong mejt support right at this level. This is a pattern which tends to go from high to low and finish up near the day's low. If that doesn't happen, and particularly if we can't hold on to the middle of the day lows, we tend to have a good rally unless we gap under these prices or take them out early in the day. I will tell you, when you have a wall going up like this and a hole in the wall, it tends to be negative over the short term, but usually within a day or two you rally, fill the gap, and even go over this high. There are a number of things based on Gann's work and some Fibonacci stuff of somebody else which called for support at the low. These lines are TDST lines from Tom DeMark. There is usually support just under them, and that seems to be holding. There's a very significant trend line you get from taking the gap down to this gap up to that low to the highs of this consolidation, and bingo, there's that trend line hit again. I think this trend line is going to break lower at some time, but we're looking for 1927 plus tomorrow. A good chance by tomorrow or Thursday that we fill this gap, not based on the mejt system, and even take out this high, not based on the mejt system. The only thing the system is predicting tomorrow is a rally to 1927.88. I think it'll print unless we take out this low, and I think if we take out this low, it should be very early in the day, and that's today's call.